How you all doing? And welcome to another Tuesday Tool Time, my friend. Here they are. It's my dolly trolley. Cigarettes, perfumes, duty frees. I'm going to diversify. Now, my friend Danny over at DG Retro has done his Tooltime Tuesday at 12 o'clock. It was gone 1 o'clock in the morning, but that didn't inspire me, to be fair, to get up and do shit. So here I am on Tuesday morning, actual proper. And we're going to look at this, look. Let's have a look at the files. Now, I've got all sorts of files, right? These just happen to live under my lathe, under my little baby Atlas, beautiful old vintage stroke antique. The only one I use on here, and this isn't the one, this is a bigger version, is actually a lathe file. I shit you not, they're made for lathes. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but the angle, the pitch, if you like, of the teeth, of the rasp of the cut, is steeper than on a standard file, so it makes for a smoother cut. It's got safe edges both sides, so you don't mark up any work that you're doing. And there you go. I've got a smaller one over on the Amazon that I use. I ordered this one and it came, and unlike most things, it was a lot fucking bigger when it turned up. So there you go. That is a lathe file, dedicated lathe file. I've also got some right big bastards, look, literally bastard cut. So this is a heavy cutter, a big heavy cutter bastard file. It's got teeth on both edges, so you can use it sideways or you can work a shoulder while you're doing the flat. And here's its younger, much younger. It's not younger, it's smaller, half round and about worn out. Needs a good clean. Needs a bit of pickling and some mild acid, that does, to get all the shit out of the teeth. Good wire brushing and chalking. That's my top tip. Is chalk your files. You see this in there? That's not by accident, that's French chalk. If you rub French chalk or sharpen your French chalk sticks, like I'll show you. So, got your file. You got your French chalk stick that you use for marking out, and you want to sharpen the edge, do it on your file, yeah? And that way, your file will stay cleaner longer because the shit will stick to the chalk and not a file. Top tip. Plus, if the neighbours come round, they've got some explaining to do, but we won't go into that because I'm in recovery. So we've got all sorts. We've got little squares. Got round. I really like my round. We used to call it rat tail files. Look, there's a coarse on the right and a finer one on the left. Got more half rounds, coarse and fine. Some chisels lurking down there. Don't know what they're doing there. I'll have them out. We'll throw them aside in a Mr. Pete-esque fashion. And look at this little bastard. Wee little pin hammer. Little cheapo pin hammer. That's hiding. Shouldn't be there. So, got all sorts. Scraper. Little C-spanner. It's a bit of a mixture, isn't it? You can tell I didn't do my hair and put my face on ready for the video. But there's my file selection, yeah? Everything you've just seen, I've got in miniature. So we've got all these. These are one of my tattoo machines. Because everything is so fucking small on them. Got that's a tiny little wedge shape, that is. And tiny little triangle. 3-sided. Another tiny little triangle. Another tiny little triangle. There's got a bit of surface rust on it, but as you can see, you know, I've got loads. These are my favourite with that handle, with this little machine handle bit on. That's lovely, that is. That is a proper engineer's needle file. It only cuts on this side. It's a really fine cut. It's got a bit of goo in it, needs to clean, but it's there. You know, it's there. Another little flat one, almost like a diamond file. That cut that fine. See how small the cuts is, look on them. They're exquisite, they are. Exquisite. They're almost like a nail file. Absolutely wonderful. So, there you go. Tooltime Tuesday. We will file it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please go check out my Teespring. There should be a link down there with all sorts of Ralfy customs. See that hot rod chicken? The hot rod chicken merchandise. Let's get hot rod chicken on tour. I want to blast social media with lots of photos of lots of cool motherfuckers in various places around the world sporting the hot rod chicken on tour logo. That'd be cool. No video would ever be complete without a big shout out to my community out there. Thanks to all my followers and subscribers. I really, really do appreciate all the love and support that I get. And a big shout out to my YouTube friends. We've got a little group of us. I'm pointing, gesticulating with my hand. You can't see it. So my arm's going like this. Like I'm not doing anything I shouldn't. So a big shout out to Danny at DG Retro Customs. I'll put links in below. He started the Tooltime Tuesday, but I beat him to the first one. So he's just posted his first one at 12 o'clock in the morning. It's not a competition, and it's not big, and it's not clever. It's garlic bread. It is. It's the future. Right. And a big shout out to Heidi and Arco. Heidi and Arco. Outlaw Edge Customs. Again, I'll post a picture, a link. I've lost it, haven't I? Big shout out to Glenn as a Mopar. Mikey Knight. He'll be in the links. Wayne Reynolds. Who the fuck is Wayne Reynolds? And, of course, my brother from another, Joey Collins at Mill Creek Fab Shop. Thanks for watching. Lots of love. And watch out for my next vlog.